Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. In last session, we see how to reducing a fraction into lowest form by dividing both numerator and denominator by common factors. Today, we see reducing a fraction to its lowest form by finding their SCF. Okay. In last chapter, you learn how to find the SCF of given number. So now today we see reducing the fraction into lowest form. Suppose your number is given, that is take number 48 upon 64. Okay, this number we reduce into lowest form by finding SCF. So first you have to find the SCF of 48 and 64. Now you have to use the method, okay, by division method, common division method. So you have to find this here. This is 48 and 64. Now first you have to check both the numbers are even number. So both numbers are divided by 2. 2 2 the 4, 2 4 the 8, 2 3 the 6, 2 2 the 4. Then next again both numbers are even numbers, so again this number is divided by 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2, 1 remainder, 2 6 the 12. Again see here, we get here 12 and 16. 12 and 16 both are even numbers, so both numbers are again divided by 2. 2 6 the 12 and 2 8 the 16. Again 2 is both numbers are even numbers, so both numbers again divided by 2. 2 3 are 6 and 2 4 are 8. Now here we get one even number and odd number. This number is not again divided, so we get the SCF. You have to take all this number. SCF is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 and 8 to the 16. So here we get the SCF of 48 and 64 is 16. Okay, now you have to solve the question. 16. Now you have to directly divide it both the number by 16. So right here therefore 48 upon 64 is equal to, now you have to directly divide this number, 16 and 64 divided by 16. What is your answer? So 16 threes are 48 and 16 fours are 64. When you check the table of 16, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64. So here we get the answer 3 4. So right here thus 48 upon 64 reduce to its lowest form is 3 upon 4 or 3/4. Now we take one more example here. I take the examples from here, exercise 4.1, question number 5th. Okay, question number 5th is reduce the following fraction to their lowest form by finding their SCF. Here we find the SCF. So first question is given, that is 48 divided by 144. Now first you have to find the SCF of both the number. SCF of 48 and 144. What is your answer? See here. By again we use here common division method. 48 and 144. Now so first step you have to check both the number. Both the numbers are even numbers. So both the number are divided by 2. Yes. 2, 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8. Then 2 7 the 14 and 2 2 the 4. Again we get here both even number 24 and 72. So again both the numbers are divided by 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4 and 2 3 the 6, 1 remainder, 2 6 the 12. So here we get here 36. Again Here we get both even numbers 12 and 36. So again this number is divided by 2. 3, 2, 6 are 12 and 2 1s are 2. 1 remainder, 2 8 are 16. Now again we get here 6 and 18, and 6 and 18 both are even numbers. So again this number divided by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 9s are 18. Now see here, 3 and 9 both are even number and both number are divided by 3. So we take here 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So here we get the last number 1 and here 3. So SCF of this number is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. 1 2 3 4, 4 times 2, 1 time 3. So now solve this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 3s are 48. Okay, so here we get the SCF of this number 48. Now next step, therefore you have to solve this. 48 divided by 144. So right here 48 divided by 48. This is SCF. We divide the fraction by find SCF of both the number 144. So we get here 48 ones are 48. Here we get 1. Now you have to check the 144. So you have to write the table of 48 on the rough page. How to write? You know that. How to make a table. You first write the table of 4. Table of 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. We write the table of 2 only 4. Okay. First we take 4 number. Then 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 24 32. Now make the table. 48 ones are this 4 8 48. We write this 6 as it is. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Sorry, we add this two number. 8 plus 1 9. Now we put 4 as it is and 12 plus 2 14. See here we get the number 144. In which number? 3s are 1 2 3. So here 48 3s are, we get answer 144. So we get the answer 1/3. Right, last step, thus 48 upon 144 reduce to its lowest form is 1/3, because 1/3 is not divided again. Okay, so this is your answer. This is very important. Okay, you have to write all these steps. Okay, then now when see one more example. See, we get here F number example. This is 35 upon 77. So first you have to find the SCF of 35 and 77. So right here 35 and 77. So both the numbers here, these both are odd numbers, so this number are not divided by 2. Then check the table 3. 5 plus 3 8. 8 is not divided by 3. Then 7 plus 7 we get here 14. Again 14 is not divided by 3. Next prime number is 5. 5, तो 5 से ये number divide होगा. 5 7 are 35. But this number is not divided by 5. Then next prime number is 7. So 7 is, yes, 7 divided. This 7 5s are 35 and 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. Means 11 7s are 77. So we get here SCF of this number 7. This number is not divided again. Okay, here is no common factor here. Now right here, therefore 35 upon 77, 35 divided by 7, 77 again divided by 7. What is your answer? 7 5s are 35, 7 11s are 77. So we get the answer. Thus 35 upon 77 reduce to its lowest form is 511. Okay, this is your answer. In this way you have to complete the question number 5 in your notebook. Okay, so today's homework, you have to complete question number 5 from exercise 4.1 in your notebook. Thank you.